In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer money from Direct Express card. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about many ways in which you will be able to transfer money from your Direct Express card. You will be able to do withdrawal through various different means and receive any amount of money or funds included in the Direct Express card. So for the first method, it's going to be ATM withdrawal. So all that you have to do is locate an ATM that accepts the Direct Express cards. In there, insert your card and enter your PIN. You will be able to choose the withdrawal option, specify the amount, and follow the on-screen instructions. Usually there will be a small fee attributed to this depending on the ATM that you use, but regardless, you will be able to transfer your money and receive it physically this way. Next, you have in-store purchases. Another way is just going to be by using the Direct Express card. So when you go over to any store, retailer, supermarket, and so on that accepts the Direct Express card, all that you have to do is present your card to the cashier, swipe the card, or do whatever you are told with the card, and you will be able to make your purchase. The remaining balance will be reflected on your card, and this way you won't even have to withdraw the money. Next, you have online purchases. Once again, if you go over to an online retailer that accepts the Direct Express cards, all that you have to do is enter your card details during checkout, and you will be able to complete your purchase. The remaining balance will be reflected on the card, and you will be able to use it. Next, you have peer-to-peer transfer. By using a peer-to-peer payment application like Venmo or Cash App, you will be able to try adding your Direct Express card to the application and sending money to family and friends. Keep in mind that this process might be difficult because not all Direct Express cards can be linked to places like Cash App, but it's still an option. Next, you have the option to write a check from your Direct Express card. So visit a check cashing service or bank, present your check and your ID, and you will be able to receive cash. The last option is going to be through the Direct Express application. By using the app, you will be able to sign into your account and choose between the various transfer options that they have. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer money from Direct Express card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.